This is a recent purchase. I just bought this boat, and he came in because it's making some noises from the drive. It sounds like it's U-joints or gimbal bearing, but to pull the drive off, we'll find out exactly what it is. But this is things that weren't known. There's his inner shift cable bellows, and it's completely torn, so if you put it in the water, it's going to start taking on water. The drive's probably had quite a few impacts with it, looking at the prop on there, so if there's some noise, it could be from that, plus the skeg's probably torn off, and that's why the skeg guard. Okay, trim her down. It's good. And here's a few more things. Motor mount bolt. You could see the motor mounts collapse, so there's no wood in there. You can see this rotten wood. Go ahead and put it back in so that his motor doesn't fall out. So, found a few other little things that aren't really worth mentioning at this point in time, but I'm not quite sure if you can tell, but his harmonic balancer's got a pretty good wobble to it. Yeah, you can really see it right there. And his transom is not that solid. But you really don't hear it all the time. Go ahead and pop it into forward. Give it a little gas. Back to neutral. And reverse.